This is Jackson and Brayson. Brayson's over there. We have a heavy duty flip phone right here. We have a Nissan Reflex. Let's have some fun. All right.
First, what we're gonna do is he's gonna soft toss the phone to me
2 times, and he's gonna hit it.
I'm gonna hit it 2 times, and then I'm gonna toss it to him, and he's gonna hit it 2 times.
Here, let's test it that way. Zeus, come here. Far out. Go back your truck, please.
The back of the phone had popped off.
And the battery's right there. But the battery looks fine, and so does the phone. So let's see if we can pop this back on real quick. Let's see. I think I can real quick. Nope. Yeah, but I popped on a little. All right, ready? Here, you try, Jeff. Quit.